Magandang maga! Welcome po sa Gintong Bukid! Ito na ang ating sunflower. Ituloy din natin yung turo sa atin ng ating governor, ang ating livelihood. Ito po ang itatanim natin dito sa ating frame. Ito po. Ito po ang puno ng asparagus na napakamahal po at napaka-healthy.
You by the tree of broken glass, where the hope that anything could last. So let's go and take the words that we know and toss them in the sea of thoughtful dreams. But if you listen, you can still hear them calling out our names, calling out our names. Though we might faint and fall, we'll keep on standing tall. This world is in our hands, so get up and grab your walking stick. These mountains have no trail, but we are tough as nails. Come on, this is our land, so get up and grab your walking stick. We can go to that bridge that crosses over fear. The fear of love and what it does to those they hold near. So let's run till the water meets the sun. We can toss our worries far away from our hearts. And if you listen, you cannot hear them calling out our names.
Ating Gintong Bukid. At ito yung Hinabers has 100% na organic from Gintong Bukid.
You'll be okay. Just hold my hand as we listen, dear, for the way to go as it comes near. We'll be okay. Oh, we'll be okay. Though we might faint and fall, we'll keep on standing tall. This world is in our hands, so get up and grab your walking stick. My love is what I